Hello everyone, myself Lakshita. I'd like to talk about our project we've been working on with Smart Intents, which is real-time communication system powered by artificial intelligence for specially able people. Our team ID is PNT2022TMID22447 and our mentor is Mrs. P. Sharmila. We are a team of four members, Devadashni, Dilshad Banu, Kavita and myself Lakshita. I'm the team leader for this project. So, moving on to our project, we are aware that the communication between deaf, mute, and normal person, which is always quite difficult, right? So, our project aims to develop a system where we can solve this issue by converting sign language into text and into speech. So, a normal person can understand what they are trying to say and make the communication easy for both the parties. So, looking towards the project structure, we created a folder for all our codes and we run them in the virtual system code environment, VS Code, which is VS Code environment. So, on the left side, we have all the folders and the files containing the codes. We also loaded the data sets provided and we trained and tested them, which will be used for further validating our model. The below folders contain the codes for homepage, dashboard, sign up and login pages, etc. This index.html has the code for our sign up and login page, and also we have its respective CSS and JavaScripts over here. So this code is for our speech to text converter, which is speech.html, and this is the code for the speech conversion. Also, we have the JSS and CSS HTML files for this, and another one HTML file for our dashboard, where the HTML code for home page as well as where we can register and log in the features which are all available here. And we all integrated the CSS JavaScript file to this HTML page. This CSS file is where our web page gets its colorful appearance. And one of the important pages, which is the language JS, this is the page where we can select the different language for our text to speech converter. And this is also integrated with the CSS and JS files. And the app.py file is where we integrated the code with the Flask application, below which we can find the web streaming py file, which is the code we use for opening the camera and which helps us detect the ASL hand gesture, which is connected to the data set. And we have our data set from alphabet A to I. Also, the training set of data is available from A to I. Now, let me take you to our home page. Just a second. It just takes few seconds to. And by running that, we will get the HTTP link, and I'll be opening it in the Chrome. And here we are. It is the home page. Because we are a new user, we are going to register and it takes us to the sign up page. I am putting a random email and password. So you can also sign up with the Google account if you already have it. So we are already registered and loaded. Um, so I'm using my mail ID and password directly. And here we are in the landing page. In this landing page, we will be having the three buttons, which are the text to speech, speech to text, and ASMR to text. So, and here in this page, at the right corner, we are having the virtual assistant, and by selecting this, we can ask the queries we have as the user might have queries. So let's see a sample for the text to speech. I'm clicking on this and it takes me to the page where we can convert the text to speech. I'm putting a random hello here, and I can select numerous languages over there, and I'm converting it to speech.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
So let's try a sentence. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? And
Hello,
I'm
how are
converting it
you?
to speech.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Okay, now let me take you to the another ASMR to text converter. And after clicking this, I can get the um, camera page where we have integrated it to the camera, and we have provided a sentence above the screen. To convert your sign language into text, click the camera so the new user can understand where to click. So if we click the open camera button over the black screen below there, um, our camera is open to the new background. So I'm going to show my hand gesture for the letter A. So my output is shown in the middle of the camera screen, like letter output is A. And if I change the gesture to another ASL language gesture C, again my output is printed above screen. So this is how we can convert the ASL language into text. And if you want to refer the source code, you can refer our Git repo over here. I'll show you. So our Git repo is available. And this is the end of our demonstration video. And I'd like to thank IBM and Nalayathiran team for providing us this opportunity.